am Dr. Chinna Dastagiri, Triple E Department, BVRIT Narsapur. So this video is a short video about introduction about the fundamentals of electrical and electronics engineering. So coming to the syllabus, so we have 3 chapters belongs to electrical engineering and 2 chapters belongs to electronics engineering. So these are the basic course. So we will deal with all the basic elements of the electrical and electronics engineering. So in first chapter, we will deal with the introduction of electrical circuits. So basically, we'll start with the electrical elements, resistor, inductor and capacitor, their current and voltage relationships. Then we'll go with the types of sources. So voltage source and current source, the source transformation. So the transformation between the voltage and current sources. Then we'll see the laws. What are the laws, basic laws of the electrical engineering? That is mainly we'll deal with the Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws. So why these laws we are using? To reduce the networks, to analyze the networks. So then we'll go with the network reduction techniques. In that techniques, we'll follow first series networks and parallel networks, then series parallel networks. Once which networks we are not able to solve with these 3, we'll go with the star delta transformation. So then to do the analysis of these circuits, we'll follow the 2 analytical methods which we are dealing in this chapter. That is the mesh analysis and nodal analysis. So in the first chapter, along with these all the techniques, network reduction techniques and mesh analysis and nodal analysis, we have a numerical problems. But the thing is, we will use only independent sources only. In second chapter, we'll go with the AC circuits. That means alternating circuits. In this one, we'll deal with the sinusoidal alternating quantities. What are those things? And this one, these alternating quantities have RMS value. What is the RMS value of this one? Average value of this one. Then form factor of that particular AC quantity, and then peak factor of that. So then we'll do the analysis of these AC circuits. In that one, we'll see RL series circuits, RC series circuits and RLC series circuits and the numerical problems on these things. Then we'll go to the third chapter, which is the basic concept of electrical. We know that machines. So in these machines, we'll mainly see the DC machines and AC machines. In DC machines, we have types. What are the types of machines? Like motor and generator. Then constructional details of this DC generator and motor. And then we'll see the principle of operation of DC generator and then principle of operation of DC motor and the EMF equation of the DC generator. Then some applications along with numerical problems. In the AC machines, we will deal with the single phase transformer and 3-phase induction motor and alternator. All these 3 machines, construction and principle of operation along with the application. With this one, the electrical part is completed. Then we will go to the electronics part. So in electronics part, the mainly will cover the PN junction diode and rectifiers in the chapter number 4. So PN junction diode and its application is rectification. So in PN junction diode, we will review the basics of that PN junction diode, and then we will see the VI characteristics of PN junction diode and how that diode, practical diode and ideal diode, what is the differences and how diode is acting as a rectifier and what is the temperature dependence of this diode. So these are the topics we are going to deal with the PN junction diode. And then as a rectification, the main application of the PN junction diode is rectification. So in the rectification, we will see the diode as a rectifier, in half wave rectifier how it is acting, and full wave rectifier with center tap transformer and the bridge rectifier. So we will see the PN junction diode and its applications. In the next chapter, we will deal with the PN junction diode is a single junction. We will deal here bipolar junction transistor. So in this one, first we will see what is the construction and principle of operation and the symbol of this BJT. Then we'll go with the current components of BJT, and along with that one we'll see the configuration, CB configuration, CE configuration, CC configuration, common base configuration, common emitter and common collector, and some numerical problems on these configuration techniques. With this one, our syllabus is completed for these fundamentals of electrical and electronics engineering. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.